6 signs from the universe that tell you to stop doing what you're doing. The universe will never want to get you in trouble. That's why it always makes sure to guide you when you're doing anything and will not waste time to punish you when you begin to derail from the path it wants you to be on. These punishments are not to frustrate you, but to bring you back to the path which it wants for you. You might think that troubles just came at you, but if you're looking at it from another perspective, it could be that you need to consider things again. Who knows, you might need to revise your plan, cancel your agendas, and so on. Because after some thoughts, you know it's too risky. Anyway, the following are 6 signs from the universe that tell you to stop whatever you're doing. As usual, I hope you can help this channel to gain more vibration by clicking that like button below. And do subscribe and click the bell icon to receive subsequent updates on this channel. 1. Unexpected delays. You might feel that being delayed is a bad sign, but it has a different meaning entirely. This is one of the ways the universe uses in slowing you down and also uses in preventing you from impending danger. You must have encountered a situation where your travel is delayed, and a few minutes you discover there's been a severe accident on the road. You might have been involved in it. The universe uses these delays to realize you're treading the wrong path and hence have to stop and change your course. 2. Having uncomfortable feelings in your gut. Sometimes you might feel a sense of nausea or sickness inside you. No matter how you try to shake this negative feeling away, it just seems not to. Instead, it feels like it is increasing. My dear, that is the universe at work. There's something you are doing or about to do that the universe doesn't want you to do. So go with the flow and not force yourself to go against it, so you don't regret it later. 3. You are getting into frequent fights. You keep getting involved in fiery arguments and silly disagreements with people. These arguments might be with your dear ones or with random strangers. Sometimes you try as much as you can to avoid these troubles, but they never stop. When this happens, it shows that there's something you're not doing right. Maybe there's a sign from the universe that you're ignoring, or perhaps there's something you need to do that you're not doing. 4. You suffer insomnia. You can't stop thinking, and this makes it difficult for you to fall asleep. You might have a single idea that keeps ruminating in your mind, or a fearful scenario that you may be playing out repeatedly. You should take a look into that though, because there might be something you're missing, or there might be something you are doing that you need to stop. 5. You are always or often sick. This is one of the most natural things that shows us that something's wrong, that there's something we're not doing right. Once we get sick, we start looking for what's gone wrong. In the search for this, we discover what sign it is we've ignored from the universe. We find out what we've been doing wrong, and then we can correct it. This is the easiest and quickest way the universe gets us to stop doing a particular thing. 6. Accidents. One accident may be an incident, but when the accidents become synchronized, that is a sign that you're missing out something, or that the universe is trying to slow you down on something, or that the universe wants you to stop something completely. It must have given you signs which you've ignored, and that brings about the accidents. You have to know that accidents can be physical or emotional so that you don't miss it. So guys, what do you think of this video? The universe always guides us towards our destination. We need to pay attention to their signs and apply all the positive things into our life. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We'll meet again in the next video.